Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Providence, local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving firm, 3 Movers, has a good working relationship with the local federal association, so we have been provided with essential services, permits, and licenses to complete a long-distance shift. Keeping your property safe is our first priority, so our movers use essential tools to handle your belongings that help prevent any wear and tear. Be it still in case of any damage, the cost will be borne by us only, and we do not charge any extra amount for the same. Although while moving locally, people believe they don't require any professional help and they can easily shift their properties. But in fact, be it local or long distance, the shifting process is still the same and requires effort to complete the shift. Therefore, it's always better to hire a professional moving firm like 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Providence moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.